Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investment on M1 Finance is one of the easiest ways to gain exposure to hundreds of leading US companies through a single investment. Rather than picking individual stocks, you can invest in an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 and let M1's automated investing tools help manage your portfolio. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on M1 Finance in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing I want you to do is open an M1 Finance account. So if you don't already have an account, create an M1 investment account to complete identity verification, personal information, and account setup. So once approved, you will gain access to M1's investing platform. So an investment account is required before buying ETFs. Okay, so now I want you to deposit funds. Okay, so you do that by before investing, transfer money into your M1 account. Common funding method include bank transfer, account transfer, direct deposit. So wait until funds become available for investing. Available cash is required before placing investment. Okay, so search for an SP 500 ETF. Okay, so as you can see here, or add VO to your pie. Okay, so add the pie to your portfolio. Okay, so as you can see in these pictures here, okay, do the same steps. Then enable auto invest, which is optional. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.